Hello. Long, painful history of humankind, conflict is impossible to solve just by human efforts alone, because people are just looking to each other, they are endless fighting. Humans need a higher goal that could come only from God, our Heavenly Parent nowadays, send His messenger, Messiah, second coming, Jesus, that bring the biggest hope to humankind, to finalize building Heavenly Kingdom, a world peace by 2027. This is the goal for all humankind. Join hands, everybody, let's do it, and finalize building world peace by 2027. All information below. Yours, Nikolai Serpala. Amen and Aju.